Naglabas ng opisyal na pahayag ang Tigaon Municipal Police Station kaugnay ng isang kumakalat na Facebook post hinggil umano sa operasyon ng iligal na pasugalan color game sa loob ng isang peryahan sa Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Batay sa nasabing post mula sa PPN Newspaper Facebook page, idinadawit umano ni Police Major Enar Vic Florese, hepe ng Tigaon Municipal Police Station, ang dalawang mataas na opisyal ng Police Regional Office 5 na umano'y nagbibigay proteksyon sa naturang pasugalan. Marin itong pinabulaanan at kinundina ni Police Major Florese sa inilabas na opisyal na pahayag. Aniya, walang katotohanan at pawang malisyoso ang naturang artikulo at walang batayan ang akusasyong ibinabato laban sa kanyang mga nakatataas na opisyal. Iginit pa niya na hindi siya kailanman naglabas o nagbigay ng pahintulot sa anumang pahayag na may kaugnayan sa maling paratang.
I am Police Major Enar Vic V. Florese, the Chief of Police of Tigaon Municipal Police Station, and I am issuing this official statement in relation to the fake news linking me to alleged statements against my superiors. I strongly deny and condemn the malicious and baseless online article falsely claiming that I accused my superiors, Police Colonel Virgilio O. Olalia Jr., Provincial Director of the Camarines Sur Police Provincial Office, and Police Brigadier General Nestor C. Babagay Jr., Acting Regional Director of Police Regional Office 5, of protecting illegal gambling operations in Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Let it be made absolutely clear, I have never made such statements, nor have I issued or authorized any pronouncement related to these false allegations. The words and accusations attributed to me in this fabricated report are entirely untrue, maliciously crafted, and intended to discredit not only myself but also the integrity of the Philippine National Police leadership in the region. As a proud member of the PNP, I have always upheld the principles of honor, justice, and integrity in the performance of my duties. I firmly support our organization's campaign against illegal gambling and all other forms of criminal activity. At no time have I engaged in any action that undermines my superiors or tarnishes the name of the institution I serve. I urge the public to remain vigilant against fake news and disinformation. The Tigaon Municipal Police Station will take all necessary steps to identify the source of this fabricated article in coordination with the Anti-Cybercrime Group, and we will ensure that those responsible are held accountable under the law. To the people of Tigaon and the entire Bicol region, rest assured, the PNP remains steadfast in its sworn duty to protect and serve with dedication, professionalism, and an unwavering commitment to the truth.
Samantala, nagsasagawa na ng legal na hakbang ang pamunuan ng Police Regional Office 5 upang papanagutin ang nasa likod ng pagpapakalat ng nasabing post na nagdulot umano ng maling pananaw sa publiko, partikular sa mga residente ng Tigaon at nakasira sa imahe ng kapulisan. Muling pinaalalahanan ng PNP Bicol ang publiko na maging mapanuri at huwag basta-basta maniniwala sa mga kumakalat na maling impormasyon sa social media. Anumang gawaing may kaugnayan sa pagpapakalat ng peking balita ay may kaakibat na karampatang parusa sa ilalim ng batas. Mula dito sa Rayong Bicol, ako ang inyong PNN Correspondent, Police Corporal Angelito Recampo, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng Balitang Pulis.